Hello everyone. On this video, I'll show you how we can write the test case and automate those test case with the help of AI. So here, in a side, here I am writing that this my QA explainer website functionality. Once I have completed that functionality writing, then what I'll do, I'll copy this whole thing and I'll paste it on ChatGPT and convert this thing to feature file. So we can create that the automation framework from scratch using AI, and then we'll import that feature file over there, and then that further process like locators and steps file, those things will be created by AI. So this is the complete process. So here everything I am writing by scratch, and once it is done, I will upload that project to my GitHub. Okay, so let's start that. So my functionality writing has done from my end. Now I'll copy that entire thing and I'll open that ChatGPT and I'll paste that this functionality over that ChatGPT, and then I'll give that prompt to convert this whole functionality thing to test cases or Cucumber test cases like .feature file. So here let me open that GPT. Here I am giving that prompt. So this prompt I have given, it is a zero shot prompt. There is no example, nothing I have given. I'm just simply copy pasting my functionality over here, and let's see what ChatGPT will provide. So see here, ChatGPT provided, but these cases are not proper. I want that whole cases in a one file, so I can directly copy pasting this file to a one feature file. That feature file I'll be created inside that project folder. So I'll give that another prompt here. Everything should becomes under one single console, so I can copy it quickly. Now I came inside my VS Code. So here I already created one basic framework. This is a POM framework. So here features will contain that all feature file or feature cases. Pages will contain that all locators and things. Steps file will contain that respective Cucumber steps and logic, and cucumber.js and package.json, those are for dependency management and Cucumber configuration. So let's taking help from ChatGPT. So finally I have completed that importing everything from AI. Let's see it is working or not. But before that, I'll open that browser because I'm getting some error over here. So what thing I'll do here now, I'll try to import Playwright MCP server. So MCP server it is actually backed by Microsoft, and you can see here directly on this GitHub page. It is like extra tools that helps that our GitHub Copilot to work more efficient way. So if any problem is there, if any error is there, then that error will be solved by this Playwright MCP server. And here we don't need to write any code from scratch. Everything will be used by this Playwright MCP server. So here we have two button, install server option on our VS Studio. So if I click on open, or directly here option is there VS Code installer. So you can click on anything, and here it will come Playwright, and we just need to click on install here over here. Now just see that, guys, here I'm using my GitHub Copilot as an ask agent, not so in GitHub Copilot we have three options: ask, edit, and agent mode. So I am actually using asking mode here. We need to use agent mode if you try to use Playwright MCP. On that time we just need to change that option from ask to edit. Okay, so once that edit like Playwright MCP server has installed, then we can see here that some option related to Playwright MCP will come. And another thing is that if you click on that GitHub Copilot settings option, there also Playwright MCP options will visible. Okay, Playwright MCP option tools will visible. Okay, so I have installed. Now let me try that same test case over here by the help of Playwright MCP. Let's see do this thing will like solve that our error or not, because we are getting some error. So this entire project has been created by AI. I haven't written any single code from scratch. I'm just giving that my prompt on GitHub Copilot, and based upon my prompt, that GitHub Copilot is changing that entire code structure, entire project structure. It is creating that our logic, it is creating the steps file, also it is adding some dependencies on package.json, and it is also setting that cucumber.js for more good and more fast and reliable execution. Okay, so this is the way. This way we can optimize, we can write that any automation project from scratch. We just need to use some basic tools like GitHub Copilot is already available, or we just need to use Playwright MCP. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful, please do subscribe and help me to grow on YouTube, and stay tuned with my YouTube channel Q Explainer. And guys, thanks for watching.